I want to show you the best digital products to sell as a beginner. Whether you want to create online courses, templates, or AI-powered apps, Claude AI can help you build products that people are willing to pay for, even if you're starting with little experience or a small budget. I've been using Claude AI to build digital products, write sales pages, create marketing content, and automate my digital product business. And if you'd like to get started, check out my free AI business system blueprint. It walks you through the process of planning, building, and selling your own digital product. And if you're ready to take action, I offer 2 ways to help you build your first digital product. You can join my Launch Your First Digital Product in 30 Days using AI challenge, where you'll work with me through one-on-one coaching as you create, launch, and start selling your own digital product. Or if you prefer to learn at your own pace, you can enroll in my premium AI business system blueprint course. You'll find links of both of these in the description below. So the first product we're going to build is spreadsheet templates. And before we build a spreadsheet template, let me show you what is already working so that you can see why this business model is worth your time. Let me search on Etsy for budget tracker spreadsheet. You'll find simple spreadsheet templates with hundreds or even thousands of sales. One popular bi-weekly paycheck budget tracker sells for around $12, and it's estimated to generate over $5,000 per month. The product is simply a Google Sheets template that customers download, showing that you don't need a complicated product to build a profitable digital business. And this works because people are constantly looking for tools that help them manage their finances without creating everything from scratch. Instead of spending hours building your own budget spreadsheet, many are happy to pay for one that's already professionally designed and ready to use. Since it's a digital download, you create it once and can sell it repeatedly and keeping most of the revenue. So now I want to show you how to create a spreadsheet template like this using Claude AI. So open Claude AI and paste this prompt. I will leave this prompt in the description so that you can copy it and follow along. So let me read the prompt. Create a professional budget tracker spreadsheet template that I can sell as a digital product. The spreadsheet should include a main dashboard that shows total income, total spending, and a breakdown of expenses into categories like needs, wants, and savings. Include percentage trackers for each category so that users can quickly see if they're on track or overspending. Add a pie chart that visually shows how money is being spent and a bar chart that displays monthly spending trends. Create a transactions tab where customers can record every expense with details such as date, category, description, and amount. Make the categories color-coded so that the spreadsheet is easy to read and understand. Add a setup tab where users can enter their monthly income and fixed expenses so that the spreadsheet can automatically calculate their budget and update the dashboard. Include a savings goals section where users can create savings targets, track their progress, and see how close they are to reaching their goals. Build the complete Google Sheets structure, all required tabs, formulas, calculations, and professional formatting. Make it beginner-friendly, visually appealing, and easy for customers to read. Then after you send this prompt, Claude will create the complete structure for your spreadsheet, including the tabs, formulas, and logic needed to make it work. You can then take Claude's output and build it inside Google Sheets to create a fully functional digital product. When a customer enters their income or adds a new expense, the dashboard updates automatically, the charts change, the category percentages update, the entire spreadsheet works as a connected budgeting system. The second product is a digital planner. I know a planner doesn't sound like the most exciting product in the world, but don't underestimate it. People buy planners because they solve everyday problems and help them stay organized. Whether it's planning a trip, managing a budget, or tracking fitness goals, organizing a business, or preparing for an exam, people are always looking for simple tools that save them time and reduce stress. That's exactly what makes digital planners such a great product to sell. For example, you could create a planner designed to help people organize every part of their trip. Claude AI makes the creation process much faster. So open Claude AI and paste this prompt. I will also leave the prompt in the description so that you can copy it and follow along. So let me read it. Help me create a professional digital planner that I can sell online. I want to create a planner that solves a specific problem and helps users stay organized. First, help me create the structure, including the main sections, pages, and information it should contain. The planner should include a clear introduction, helpful instructions for users, organized sections, checklists, trackers, and practical tools that can make it valuable and easy to use. Make the planner visually appealing, beginner-friendly, and designed as a premium digital product that customers would be willing to purchase. Also suggest ideas for the design, page layout, and additional features that would make this planner more useful and valuable. After sending this prompt, Claude will help you create a complete structure and content plan for your digital planner. Once Claude helps you to generate the content, you can review it, add your own knowledge and experience, and personalize it to make the planner unique. Then you take the finished content into Canva Pro, where you can design the pages, add graphics, choose professional fonts, and create a polished product that looks valuable. After your design is complete, export the planner as a PDF file and upload it into a platform like Payhip or Etsy. Now the final step is marketing. You need to get your product in front of the right people. Platforms like Pinterest work well for these digital planners because people are actively searching for organization ideas, templates, and planning tools. You can create pins that link back to your sales page and continue attracting potential customers over time. And the best part about digital planners is that you create the product once and sell it repeatedly. This idea is not only limited to one type of planner. You can create wedding planners, meal planners, student planners, content planners, budget planners, fitness planners, business planners, or planners for a specific hobby and profession. Every audience has problems they want to solve, and a well-designed digital planner can become the solution. The third way to make money with Claude AI is by building simple AI-powered web apps that solve real problems. Now, before you think, I'm not a developer, so this isn't for me. Let me tell you something. You don't need to be an experienced programmer to start building useful AI tools anymore. With Claude AI, you can describe an idea in simple words, and it can help you turn that idea into a working application. You can create AI-powered apps for almost any industry as long as they solve a specific problem. For example, imagine you're creating an AI resume builder that helps job seekers create professional resumes. A user could enter their work experience, skills, and career goals. This solves a real problem because people struggle with presentation. The key is not starting with code. Start with the problem you want to solve. Open Claude AI and explain what you want the app to do. I will also leave the prompt in the description so that you can copy it and follow along. So let me read this prompt. Help me build a simple AI-powered web application that solves a real problem. I want to create an AI resume builder app that helps users create professional resumes and cover letters. The app should allow users to enter their personal information, work experience, education, skills, and career goals. The AI should analyze the information, provide and generate a professional resume, suggest improvements, and create a customized cover letter. Create a simple, modern user interface that is easy for beginners to use. Help me plan the app structure, features, user flow, database requirements, and the technology needed to build this application, and guide me step by step in creating the app, including the front-end design, back-end logic, AI integration, and deployment process. After you send this prompt, Claude will help you plan the application, create the structure, and guide you through building the different parts of the app. What makes AI-powered apps exciting is that they create a different type of digital product. Instead of selling a one-time PDF or template, you can build an interactive tool that users return to regularly. You can continue improving it, add new features, and even create recurring revenue through subscriptions. So at this point, you might be wondering, where do I actually start? And my advice is simple. Start with what you already know. You don't need to become an expert in something completely new. Think about the knowledge, skills, and experience you already have and turn it into a digital product. And if you want help turning your idea into a finished product, please check the links in the description. You can start with my free AI business system blueprint, where I share the framework for planning, creating, and launching a digital product using AI. And if you want more personal guidance, you can join my Launch Your First Digital Product in 30 Days Using AI challenge, where I walk you step by step through the process from choosing your product idea, using AI tools to create it, setting up your sales system, and preparing it for launch. And for those who want the complete system, you can check out my premium AI business system course. Inside the course, I show you the exact process of building AI-powered digital products from start to finish. You'll get step-by-step modules covering product research, validating ideas, building with Claude AI, creating sales pages, connecting payment systems, automating delivery, and launching online. You'll also get templates, checklists, and practical workflows that you can follow even if you're starting from zero. The goal is to help you move from having an idea in your head to having a real digital product. So if you're ready to stop just learning and start building, check out the links in the description and choose the option that fits where you are right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.